You got it eastbound. Oh, like 276.
Medium clear, Point of Rocks, 3349.
Sound like it saving a hook almost. Yeah, cool. Nice. Yeah. I was wondering who this eastbound is. Saving the haircut and 2 bits. Tell me what you're doing. I like it.
Q276-15 eastbound, number 2. Good clear east drop, 3349.
7:24 in the morning. Okay. Time to go to after 276 passes. I'm gonna go to the gas station real quick. Get something to drink. I am very thirsty. Come back here and go from now. Oh, oi. Yeah, that just. Bing, 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 bing. Yeah, excuse me. Almost sipping. I'm so glad I topped off yesterday. Eh? Huh. I ain't gonna admit today. To be honest, about these graffiti, some of them are really nice, really cool. Some of them are like, yeah. Some of them are really good. And I do agree, it is vandalism, but I do admit, some of these are really good artwork, to be honest. Some are like, damn, really good. Oh, 3x6 is not bad size today. Oh, who's calling? Ah. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, Captain Phil?
Nothing much, Big Sexy.
Huh?
Nothing much, Big Sexy.
Oh, God. Flattery will get you nowhere, buddy.
I hope so. I hope not. So how you been, man?
I just working on getting my divorce finalized.
Oh no, yeah, I remember you telling.
She's begging to come back already.
Oh no.
I said, the way you handled everything, and I seen you leaving with your ex-husband. Now, because he was real abusive. Now I think he's done threatening her already. And
Oh no. Yes.
the damage is done now. I'll never be able to trust her again.
Yeah, oh no. I hope everything works out. So.
Yeah, I'm ready for the divorce, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
All that bullshit I went through with her fully grown kids.